I was born with a foot issue. So I kind of pronate when I walk. I had corrective shoes, and when I was a kid, they didn't really know how to deal with this. They just told me to wear a boot with a heel, and I've had a ton of issues. If you know me, you know I've had these issues, and I've had a ton of accidents. I've had ankle scopes, ligament reconstruction, all of it. And I used to make my own insoles, where I would add a little bit of a lift underneath my first metatarsal on each foot. That actually helped me for quite some time, but I have weak feet. And I started doing more research into barefoot, barefoot shoes, that sort of thing. And last year I got those sandals, no rise, and I was able to run in those things and climb mountains and everything. And the only bummer was the bottom of my feet being so soft from wearing super thick-soled boots and whatnot over the years. I got blisters from it. And but I really believe in this minimalist footwear thing. And when I'm barefoot, I'm better. You know, when I'm home at the beach running around in the summer or whatever, your feet get stronger. And it's better for everything. Better for surfing and all that sort of thing. So I was watching some stuff and looking around, and we all know that it's hard to find minimalist footwear that look good. But what you can do is you can buy these new Vans. The skate version, they have a removable insole. You can just take that out and put a flat sole in it, you're good to go. It doesn't have a wide toe box, but you got a lot more flexibility in there now. I picked up this old set, well, they're not old, they're new. It's a pair of Keds. Thought they were kind of cool because they got that old frog skin camo pattern. And right now, I pulled an insole out. I'm in the process of peeling off this heel section. I'm using a stiff putty knife to hold down the blue so it doesn't tear out on me. Try to do this in real time here. So the advantages with a no-rise heel is that it lengthens the back muscles of the back of your leg, and you end up walking the way you're supposed to. You land more flat-footed. You can land more on the balls of your feet when you run. You should not be heel striking when you run. It's really not good for you. So this is just something I'm doing. Now, I also got these sneakers a little bit bigger, so I don't have a toe box squeeze on my toes issue. Way more comfortable. That's the big thing. I have an idea for a barefoot work boot. Now, it would have a thicker sole. That's the one thing, but it would have a wider toe box and no rise. If you buy a decent set of boots, like I wear the Danners, they call them Bull Run now. I always have new soles put on them when I get them because the white thick sole wears out real quick. Next time I get a pair of those, I'm going to bring them to the shoe guy. I'm going to have him take the sole off, put a thick layer of the spongy stuff, one level, no heel rise, and then a Vibram under it. Should be better. That's the only bummer. I tried wearing the sandals at work. They were comfortable because of the airflow, obviously. Not great in case you drop something on your foot. But, you know, you need a thickness if you're on concrete all day. It really hurt my feet to be in sandals all day with no, on the concrete, with no cushion under that. Anyhow, almost done here. And there we go. No heel rise. Keds. Did you wear Keds as a kid, man? These were cool. We used to make sneaker skates when I was a kid. Now, the kids that had the Keds as roller skates, that was cool. Alright. Now, I don't have socks on. I should have some socks on, but... it's exciting. Are you as excited as I am? I didn't show you the flexibility of these things. Hang on a second. Very thin. No rise. And Keds actually have a wider toe box than the Vans anyhow. So if you're into the minimalist thing, you don't want to spend a fortune. They charge a lot of money for those things. Isn't it funny? You're paying for the technology, I guess, in some respects, but it's like the less materials in the product, the more money you're spending. doesn't equate. Woo, woo, so excited. That front shin muscle there. These shin muscles are strictly from overcompensating with my foot issues since I was a kid. Every physical therapist sees these things and they freak out. I'm pretty excited. So anyhow, there you go, real time, and you can do it.